Hey, hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Grantha. We are discussing about the load runner tutorial. So today is the lecture number 11. So on the last video, lecture number 10, we discussed about like how can we create the scenario on the load runner tool for the controller. So today we are discussing about how can we execute the test on the controller and how we can analyze the test results. And we will find out the some different which things we can monitor on the controller side. Okay, so if anyone missed the last video, so just please go on the channel, and I already created the playlist there. You can watch it, otherwise I will share the playlist link also on the description box. And if any of the person have any doubts, so just please comment on the comment box. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Okay, we start the video. So that already scenario we created the last time. So for saving the result, just click on the result, then result settings. So there you can just give your what the result name you want to give, and there the path where you want to save your result. Then come on the run and click here the start scenario, and then it will be start your execution. Okay, so after that you can see here, once we click on the start scenario, our test execution has been started there. So there you can easily monitor. If you go there the pass and fail, so just click on the pass option. Then you can see here the pass and fail count also. Okay, so here like once our test has been done, so you can easily see, and after that analyze the result. So just click on the result and click on the analyze result. So I already analyzed the result there. So this is our result folder structure. So there you can see like when you executed the test execution, that also you can see. And you can see there how many users you put the total for execution, then how many past transaction, how many failed transaction. Then here you can also see like that for three transaction is there. So how much minimum value, what is the average, and what is the 90 percentage, those all summary value also you can get there. And you can also get there the http things there. If suppose any http error there, you will get that. So because http 200 is status for okay, so you are getting the all status okay. Other status you can also get. Apart of that, what you are monitoring there, there it is the graph like hit per second, we are checking there. A part of that, transaction summary, average response time graph, and then transaction per second graph. So according to that you can monitor from the control side those such graph also. So this is the basic summary about how we can execute the test using the load runner controller tool, and this is the tool where we are using for the analyze the result. Okay, so this is total about the how can we execute the load runner script using the controller, and I already discussed like what the use of the controller. Okay, so this is the overall basic idea about the load runner tool. So now only the another important things are pending on the load runner tutorial side is the string functions. Like some of the logical script is there. If you want to do the copy of the string, paste of the string, concatenation, so those all the function are pending, which we will cover on the next 1 to 2 videos. Apart of that, if anyone want to any other video on the load runner tool, yeah, if I miss anything, so just you can comment on the comment box. I will try to cover off those topics. And please, if you didn't subscribe the channel, you can subscribe the channel of the Tech Grantha. Okay, thanks to all. Please support the video and share with your friends and colleagues. Thanks to all.